When many well-known people get in trouble with the law here in Indiana, they often call one attorney, Jim Voyles. He's defended Mike Tyson, plus Pacers and Colts players. He rarely talks with reporters, but he did invite me into his home to talk about the passions in his life: clients, cases, and cars. Walk around Jim Voyles' basement.
These are the mild dirt cars that Foyt drove, Al Unser drove, Bobby Unser drove.
And you'll see a man's love for racing and defending clients, which include the rich and famous.
I was the local counsel for Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson had a unique nickname for you, didn't he?
Yeah, country boy.
Country boy. Where did that come from?
Because he thought we were in the country.
There's a framed jersey from Pacers star Steven Jackson after the Malice in the Palace.
Steve had a great sense of humor and was a great client.
And come in his garage. Wow.
This is a 1932 Highboy hot rod.
And you'll see a Ferrari, part of an eye-popping collection of cars. Voyles started collecting.
This is a 1958 Salon S1 Bentley.
And kept collecting.
And then pretty soon I've got 21 cars.
Jim's wife jokes the collection won't be growing.
He's on car probation. No more.
Voyles' passion for auto racing and criminal cases is now part of a new book that he wrote primarily for his family.
If something happened to me and I was gone, I wanted my kids to know what the heck I really did. And so that's why we did the book.
Mark Boursier co-authored the book, knowing Jim Voyles was passionate about racing and at the top of his game as a criminal defense attorney.
I mean, he won't blow his own horn about it, but his reputation obviously speaks for itself. If you talk to him during May, he's the race fan who has a part-time job as an attorney.
When Voyles is working on a case, he rarely talks with reporters. How do you feel about the media?
You know, I have a lot of friends in the media, but we never talk.
He created business cards for his clients as a reminder to stop talking.
And so now we moved into social media. I have stopped texting, stopped talking, stopped emailing, so that they can just stop any of that before they talk to somebody like me.
Voyles will talk about previous cases, but you won't get much when you ask about his current clients, like former quarterback Mark Sanchez. What can you tell me about that case?
Zero.
Okay. Voyles is in his 80s, but he's not slowing down. He still works 12 to 14 hours a day, something his wife has seen during their 48 years of marriage.
He loves it and he likes to help people.
For Jim Voyles, there are still clients to defend and races to enjoy. So you've seen 71 Indianapolis 500 races.
I have.
What is your favorite?
Every one of them.